Hello friends, welcome to my this new YouTube video. My name is Nikhil Jain. Today I will discuss about footing design. This is Excel sheet program. In this Excel sheet, various type of footing is designed. It is design of isolated square axially loaded paired footing, design of isolated rectangular axially loaded paired footing, design of isolated square axially loaded slope footing, design of isolated rectangular axially loaded slope footing, design of isolated square axially loaded slope pedestal footing. There is another footing also, which is rectangular eccentric footing uniaxial moment, rectangular eccentric footing for biaxial moment, and a combined footing design. In the footing design in yellow cell, you have to input the data as per given detail. You have to enter column size, characteristic load, allowable bearing pressure, concrete, steel grade, bar diameter used in column, and number of bar used in column. After entering his data, we will get result. In result, we get footing size, footing depth required. In yellow cell, we have to enter footing depth provided, and also we have to enter bar diameter used in footing design in yellow cell. Now after design is complete, here some check is given. This is net upward pressure, development line check, one-way shear check, two-way shear check, cracking check, weight of footing, dowel length in footing, dowel area in column, dowel length in column. In this check, we have to see that they are safe or not safe. If all the check is safe, then design is okay. And if not safe, then change the input data like footing depth provided, bar diameter used in footing, or concrete grade. So all the check is come as safe. And then only footing design is okay. So in this way, we have to design all type of footing. Thank you for watching this video. You can download this Excel sheet from given link below. This is the given link. If you are like this video, please share and subscribe to my this channel, so you can see another video what we have to provide it. Thank you.